Next subtractor. Subtractor also a perform subtraction operation of two binary numbers. So here also we have three types. Half subtractor means two single bit subtraction. Next full subtractor, three single bit subtractions. Third one is parallel subtractor. Mostly parallel subtractor are used designed using 2's complement only. Okay, let us see half subtractor. So what is half subtractor? Let us draw with the circle. See block diagram. First step is block diagram. Half subtractor. How many inputs? Two inputs. So for subtraction operation, if you get what are the outputs? Borrow and difference, right? Difference and borrow. Okay, next truth table. Truth table. X, Y. Borrow difference. So 0, 0. 0 minus 0. How much? 0. So difference is 0. Borrow also not available. 0. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Difference is 1. Did you take any borrow from other side? No. So borrow is 0. So borrow is 0. Difference is 1. You can replace here difference anything, that is not at all problem. Next 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Difference is 0. Any borrow we get? No. So difference is 0. Borrow is 0. Next 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. See, observe. 0 minus 1 means you have to take borrow from here. That borrow must be 1. If 1 only, that is possible. 0 means not possible, right? So 1 0 means what? Now 1 0 means it is 2. 2 minus 1. So 1. So output difference is 1. Borrow, you take borrow 1 here. So borrow is also 1. Okay. Now write the expressions. B is equal to what? Sigma 1. D is equal to sigma 1 comma 2. So D means x XOR y. B means sigma 1. 1 means x bar y. Draw the circuit. Now draw the circuit. First one is XOR. X, Y. Second one is X bar Y. Right? This is difference. This is bar. Okay. If asked, try to draw using NAND. Okay. So half adder. So this is the truth table. Expression in this one. Circuit. Okay. You can take any variable, that is no problem. Here I take AB here. Okay, next full adder. Full adder means 3 bits. Okay, 3 bit subtraction. Differences are and borrow to output. Let us see here. 1 minus 1, how much? See, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1, already you did. Half added truth table, observe. What is half added truth table? Difference here, borrow here. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? This is the truth table. Now, here what you get? 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is what? Output 1, 1. So write 1, 1 here. Next, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. Right here. Next, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Like that, you have to prepare the truth table. Okay. Next, expression. What is the expression? Sigma is equal to what you get? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7 means already implemented. A XOR B XOR B in. Here I given variables like this. A, B, B in. Okay. Next, output. Sigma 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 7. So draw the K map. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 7. Means this is A, B, B, 0, 1. So A, this one is A bar B, right? This one A bar B. This one B, B in. So this is the final expression for borrow. That is B naught. Okay. Also, you can write this expression using half adders, two half adders. Sorry, two half subtractors, right? So this is the two half subtractors. You try yourself this one, okay? Whether you getting this expression or not, you can try yourself, okay? Next, parallel subtractor. So, in general, how you perform subtractors? Mostly in digital circuit, we use 2's complement. Remember? Yes. So in 2's complement, how you perform? First, add 2's complement of B to A. Means what you do for negative number, you performing 2's complement, right? For negative number, you performing 2's complement. So what is the 2's complement? I given two numbers 0, 1. What is the 2's complement of this one? This is B, right? 2's complement means subtracting 1. 0, 1. Or we simply performing complement of this one, right? So complement means we using what? 1 not gate, right? You using not gate here. and then performing addition operation, right? Addition operation is given to first bit, right? LSB bits. Simply say, once again I will say, clearly I will explain. I am taking 2-bit number, right? A is equal to 1 1. B is equal to 0 1. I am performing subtraction now. How? Now you have to perform 2's complement for this. 2's complement, right? 2's complement for this one. So how you perform 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1, right? See, 1's complement means first 1's complement is complement of this one. 1 means 0, 0 means 1. Now what you doing for this one? You are adding A and 1, right? What is A here? 1 1 plus 1, right? This one is carry, right? This one is carry. So this is 3-bit addition, right? Full adder. Now 1 plus 1 is 0. 1. Again we get 3-bit here. So this one is full adder. So full adder, full adder. So I am writing full adder here. Again I am writing full adder here. A is fixed because A is positive number. So I am writing directly taking A here. A, A. For B, what you doing? Complement. Complement is given by NOT operation, right? So I am taking NOT gate here, right? This is B. This is B. Next, carry. This carry, we are adding 1 here. So initially, in previous parallel ladder, you get given C is equal to 0. But here, you have to give C is equal to 1. So sum this carry. Sum carry. Now see, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 1, 1, right? After this performance, what you do using 2's complement? We discard carry, right? So we don't take this carry output. So only we consider some outputs only. We don't use this one. So don't give connection. Means don't give connection means don't observe this output, right? If it is bulb 1 is available or 0, whatever you need, don't consider this carry output. Just observe only some outputs. So 1 0. So this is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 binary value is 1 0. We get it or not? Yes, we get it. So this is the parallel subtractor using 2's complement. Okay. For suppose if A less than B, what we have to do? The output is available in 2's complement form, right? Output is available in 2's complement form. So you have to again take 2's complement for it. You already know that one. So this is the circuit. This is I am taking 4-bit. Okay. This is the 4-bit circuit. If n bit is given, write n blocks. Okay. Like this, you have to draw the parallel subtractor. Now I am giving one task to you. Okay, homework. Half adder, half subtractor using NAND, full adder, full subtractor using NAND, and design a combination circuit, okay, which acts as adder when mode is equal to 0. Okay, means I want a combination circuit, okay, which takes two inputs, A and B, okay, and one more input is mode. Mode is given, okay. If this mode is equal to 0, the outputs we get is sum and carry. If mode is equal to 1, the output get from this one is borrow difference. Okay. So I want to, in single circuit, we get output like this. Okay. Try yourself this one. I will provide solution also. Don't worry, but try itself.